Monday morning, the 10th of October, and we've had a lovely few days at Marie Saint La Mer, or Sainte Marie Saint Mer, and we're just heading off to another stop that we didn't do justice to last year. But we've got a little bit of a few things to do in between. We're going to hope to find a cave de digestion, or however they want to say it, but we're running out of wine basically. And Helen's favourite thing, we've got to find a laundry.
I know it sounds like I do laundry every day, all day, but I don't. It's just like about once a week, because if you let it mound up, then you know, it's just like a massive job. Alan doesn't quite get it. I think he thinks that we ought to just run until we've got no pants.
Yeah, that's good for me. I bought 28 days worth with me.
Yeah.
You bought 21. You're going to stink before I do.
Well, you know, it's just one of them things, isn't it? So I've cleaned the bathroom this morning. Everybody be pleased to know. It now smells like a municipal swimming pool. And good to go. Fill up with water. We're all empty.
You're going to have to look for me.
Yeah, clear. One of the problems with having a left-hand, right-hand drive vehicle, can't always see when it's
yeah, on very shallow junctions. I can't see out the side window either, the lounge window.
And I'm hoping that you can't see that I'm trying very hard not to scratch my legs.
Yes, you got bit.
We got bit like mad. I feel like I've got smallpox. My legs are on fire, and there's no chemist open because it's Sunday. So tomorrow I will go and get some antihistamines and be a happier lady.
Alright, well, enough introduction. Helen will say goodbye.
Ta-ra. You have to say it's goodbye from you.
Ah, it's goodbye from me as well.
See you in a bit.
As you can see, not all the roads in France are in the best condition.
At the end of the road, turn right.
As soon as I saw this, I remembered coming out this way last year from Saint Pierre and thinking they need to spend some of their holiday money on the road, but they don't. And it's a little bit tight. But it's a nice place. I'm sure there's a camping car Aire on the other side of the river. Probably where that one is over there. But we're going to carry on, get to Saint Pierre, and we'll catch you up as we approach it. Everyone, it's Monday morning. We've just left the Aire and we're walking down the little track towards the beach, and it's about 10:30 in the morning, and
warm.
It's 17 degrees it reckons, but in the sun of course it's feeling much warmer than that, and it's gonna get up to about 22 or 23. Which should be really nice. Wind at the moment is a little breezy, but I'm hoping it's going to drop down a little.
You sound like you're doing one of those things, you know, in an aeroplane.
Good morning, everybody. This is your captain speaking. Yeah. Oh. There's dogs and everything running.
Sure it's for real, and whatever I feel, I know you feel the same way too. From the second when your eyes caught mine, there ain't a single thread of doubt in my mind, and it's like I've always known you. space and time, two souls align. We weave this dream together, a love that lasts forever. Heavenly bliss, I could die from your kiss. Our love will last forever, even death won't ever do us part. Two hearts collide, and I drown in your eyes. I sigh when you sigh. I put all of my fears aside, raptured by you, and you give it to me. 'Cause we don't wanna be free. You are mine and I belong to you. I always knew I'd feel this way, and I will love you till the end of days. It's like you've always known me, and I've been longing for this moment with you. Through space and time, two souls align. We weave this dream together, a love that lasts forever. Heavenly bliss, I could die from your kiss. Our love will last forever, even death won't ever do us part. Through space and time, two souls align. We weave this dream together, a love that lasts forever. Heavenly bliss, I could die from your kiss. Our love will last forever, even death won't ever do us part. Even death won't do us part. Is this a dream? Too good to be true. What I feel for you, is it all just a fantasy? I know it's true. I'm sure it's for real. And whatever I feel, I know you feel the same way too. From the second when your eyes caught mine, there been a single thread of doubt in my mind. And it's like I've always known you. I've been waiting for this moment and for you, only you. Through space and time, two souls align. We weave this dream together, a love that lasts forever. Heavenly bliss, I could die from your kiss. Our love will last forever, even death won't ever do
Morning everyone.
Morning.
We've had a nice walk along the beach. We're continuing to do so. Set off early before the temperatures got too high. But this end of the beach is an amazing sort of vista of wooden huts, fallen trees, shelters.
It's ever so busy though.
We've passed 2 people. Yeah, I'm going to assume that on stage they tried to maintain the shoreline with trees, and at some stage in the past they've decided to cut them all down. All these trees here and these size of logs haven't arrived naturally. As you will have seen, there is an awful lot of them. Lots and lots. But we're going down to the village of Cabanes, where there is another camping car area, but we haven't actually visited it. And we're just going to have an enjoyable walk down and see what happens.
Got nothing else to do all day.
Enjoy the sun, enjoy each other's company. Lovely. We'll catch you later. Well, we've just arrived at Cabanes, and it does look like at certain points of the year it's quite a busy little place. We're walking down to see if the cafe is going to be open, but on the other side of the river there's a few wild campers knocking it out. They've got boats over there, jet skis, little harbour. We'll see what this side of the river's got. It's cold. Don't drink the water, Buffy. Just get straight in. Says me. Just stood here, 22 degrees C. But it's a little bit windy. So it is. I'm going to test the GoPro out for its waterproofness. I've had to dismantle it from its normal cage that I've got it in. So you're going to get a lot of wind noise, no doubt, because it is very windy. Ursula undress. Don't eat the sand, but well, here we go. This is the same place we paddled on we're going in on our intro video from last year, but I'm going to try and get straight in. Oh god, oh yes, it's definitely cold. Ready, do this for England. Yes. Well, the camera's still working. It's definitely kind of waterproof. Oh my god, it's cold. Oh, blimey. It goes deep quick though. I think I've cracked that now. Doggy paddle while you're holding a GoPro. Isn't easy. So we see what it's like on the water. Get some water shots. Ready? I've got the meds are salted. Get down without using both arms. Oh god, I'm on tippy toe already. Let's get a bit closer to the shore. Oh, that's better. Come on, Bob. Come on. Come on, come for a swim. Come on. Come on. No, she's having not a big. She's not a big swimmer. She actually hates it. It's not too bad once you're in. Oh. Yes, but yes, it's definitely cool getting in. So that's it. Swimming in the Med early in October. It's definitely doable. It's warmer than swimming in the Baltic in May, just outside of Luleå, which I went all the way there just to do, but that didn't help because it's such a shallow sea. It took me 20 minutes to get up to my knees. But on that note, I think we've had enough messing around in the water. Till later.